Did you know that you can sell your grass airdrop now and make money? Well, I will show you how to do it. So we jump straight onto the laptop over here. And the first thing first, I want to let you know that being a community referral program, basically airdrop, I will be giving part of this away in two methods. The first one is through somebody that signs up to my Bybit referral program down in this link below. Absolutely free. If you want to go and trade, thank you very much. Otherwise, you can simply go and sign up. And then there's going to be many promotion with Bybit that I'm working on, such as airdrop opportunity, allocation for airdrop. So simply make sure to sign up, and if you wish to go and trade, thank you very much. And the next one I will tell you in just a video, but by the way, they're both free to go and earn. But the airdrop over here, the grass airdrop, what are we talking about? Well, this one, as we see here, is my allocation. It's basically a referral airdrop, so the more people you refer, the more points you do, etc. And where can you sell yours? Well, if you're farming it already, congratulations. If you're not farming it, the link is down below to get going today and start making your money. You can go and sell it to the whales market. And how does this work? Well, let me tell you that, first of all, a few information, a few important updates that you need to know. The money or the price that you see over here, it is not the actual one. So we are not talking about that. When it's the TG, when the token launches, it's not going to be priced at 0.0016 per token for sure. Like, this is a selling speculation type of thing. So if you want to go and sell your token that you have now, that you know you have, because anyway, you will receive the points. You can sell your points for a USD value, for a Solana value, USDT value, whatever you want. The one thing is that you are not going to get your money right now. What do I mean by this? Well, if you go and create an offer and you put up for grabs the point markets over here, the listing of a peer-to-peer offer to trade protocols points secured by smart contract, you are essentially going to be able to give the points away later on when the TG happens, when the points actually gets converted to the real price value of it. You will then be able to send the equivalent of those grass points from your wallet. It's audited by a smart contract, as we see over here, secured by a smart contract. So there is no way out of it, even if, and this is why it's a little bit of a speculation, because it's either good for you in terms that you can sell it now for 0.0014, let's say, to beat the competition. Here we are selling $4,000 for 0.0016. You can sell it at 0.0014, beat the competition, and have a contract signed that says X person will receive my points value and I will receive this dollar value when it happens. And this is a contract, and you can either win or lose by it. What do I mean? Well, if the price of the airdrop of the grass TGE, the token generation event, happens and the price of the points is not 0.001 cent, but it's actually a full cent, you are losing 8x of it. However, if at the TGE, of the token generation event, the grass airdrop will be 0.0008, you actually made money. And at that point, you have your token, you have your money, you have sold it. So it's a little bit risky. This whole whales market, just for you to know, it could be entertaining for some, it could be nice, yes. But it's all about speculation. Like, if it does actually go to the one, to a tenth of a cent, it's actually really good. If it goes to 1 cent, it's amazing, but it's very hard. And these prices do look realistic, yes. However, if you go back to my channel and we go and cover one of the airdrop, or whether we talked about it better, you can actually see that the token or the point value for it, a couple of months ago, or a month ago, not even, it was at 0.003. Now it's half of that. And this is why it is a speculation. Now, you can go and sell it. You can go and look for a buyer, have the right price, try to sell it. You can absolutely do it. Is it going to happen? Well, it's not like 100% that you see some of these are not fueled. Some of these don't want to buy it. Some of these are actually fueled. So you have the possibility, if you do not sell it, you're not going to, waste your points. But it's pure speculation. The point to value ratio is pure speculation based on what people think. It could be good for you, it could be bad for you, but you can go and sell it now. However, the money that you're selling your points for, you're not going to receive it today in your wallet. You're going to receive it after the TG, after the point has a set price, and after everything happens. So you can sell it today, but you're not receiving your money today, if that makes sense. But talking about the other possibility for the grass airdrop that I want to give to you is to Patreon member. And as well here, we're going to have a small allocation for everybody that signs up for free, absolutely for free, to the Patreon down below. Or you have the possibility to sign up for $4.99. If you wish to support me even bigger, thank you very much for that. Otherwise, also the free members, so that everybody has the possibility to enter, will receive part of the allocation. Absolutely yes. But basically, we got three possibilities: the crypto, the Patreon with Crypto with Lorenzo over here, and both free and not free. So let me know what you think down in the comments below in terms of which one. What do you think? The price speculation that you have. Let me know also the comments. What do you think the price will be? Will it be 1 cent? Will it be a 10th of a cent? Will it be a 20th of a cent? Will it be actually the price that it is right now, which is 0.18 of a cent? Let me know in the comments below. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.